Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, comment, and leave a like. Without further ado, let's get into it. We waited for decades to be able to enjoy the wonders of virtual reality. Gladly, we have finally perfected the technology to be able to see the world through a machine that can change the world around us. Games have improved, and if you want to watch a movie in VR, you need to be of strong heart because you will forget you're not actually in the movie. Sounds fun, right? So here's a list of the best VR headsets you can get your hands on today. Number 1. Oculus Quest 2. When you want the best experience out of the box, you can never go back with the Oculus Quest 2. It is compact, cheap, comfortable to wear, and you don't need any extra accessories to play games. And if you have a wrecked eyesight like me, it can be worn over glasses comfortably. The standalone VR headset has self-contained motion tracking and a full-motion 6 degrees of freedom, aka 6-stop, VR controller that is the same as the ones on the PC-required Oculus Rift. Plus a surprisingly great resolution display and built-in speakers. Apps are downloaded right to the standalone headset's onboard storage. Its more limited mobile processor still plays games such as Beat Saber, Moss, and Superhot VR extremely well. And it can even connect with a PC if you want to, using a single USB-C cable. Number 2. HP Reverb G2. For those of you who are looking for the best image quality in a VR system, they should get the new HP Reverb G2. The 2160 by 2160 per eye resolution and 114-degree field of view are the best at this price range. And the lightweight, comfy headset also has fantastic drop-down speakers designed by Valve. It's technically a Microsoft Windows mixed reality headset that prefers to launch into Microsoft's native Windows 10 VR ecosystem, but it bridges with Steam VR and works with those games and apps too. The included controllers are based on Microsoft's VR design and will get tracking errors. And the other downside is that the speakers are the only audio choice since there is no headphone jack. Number 3. Valve Index. If you want the best PC VR experience, the Valve Index might be the best because of its controllers. Valve's knuckle controllers are pressure sensitive and can track all 5 fingers, making them almost like gloves. It has excellent audio capabilities and sharp, wide field of view. But there's some work that needs to be done in order to enjoy the best experience. The Index uses external lighthouse boxes, meaning you need to set those up in the room first. It's not as self-contained as Oculus's Rift S, which can track the room with in-headset cameras. In conclusion, if you're new to the VR game, the Oculus Quest 2 will be the one you should put your money into. Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you found this video useful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.